In ServiceNow, do you want to show a warning message automatically the moment a form opens based on record data? Not client script, not UI policy, but a powerful server-side trick using display business rules. Today, I will show you this using a real pharmacy app favor case. Welcome back to my 100 business rules series in ServiceNow. In today's video, 67 by 100, we are going to learn display business rules with a real-time use case from the pharmacy application. Here requirement is whenever a prescription record opens, if the diagnosis is favor, the form should instantly show an alert and highlight it for the attention. Why display business rule? Because it runs on the server before the form loads and passes values to the client using G underscore scratchpad, which makes it the best approach for form load based conditional UI behavior. I will also show you how display business rule works internally, how data flows from server to client, how we trigger the warning on form load, and why client script alone are not secure for this. Display business rules equal to server brain that prepares data before the form even appears. Let's jump into ServiceNow and implement this favor alert using display business rules step by step. Let's start. Here the requirement is when the prescription form opens, if diagnosis is favor, highlight the form with a warning message. Highlight favor patients on form load. How we can approach this method? Here, two steps involved in this. We can use first to display business rule and then use the client script. So here plus is there, no? Here G underscore scratchpad. It is the connection between server and clients by G underscore scratchpad technique. We using API as G underscore scratchpad. Let's start. Here, before starting the core topic, just we discuss the what are the total methods are there to solve this issue. Here, so many methods are there. Client script is there, UI option is there, UI policy is there, form style via dictionary is there, flow designer option is there, display business rule plus client script is there. Among the each we can discuss which is best way. Client script only. So it's somewhat possible, but it's not secure. It will work, but logically, but it's not secure. UI policy can change field styles but cannot highlight whole form easily. Form style via dictionary is static. It is stable screen, not dynamic for record. If we change favor, it won't change, but it is statically uh, stayed in the form. Flow designer, it's not for UI changes. It's not suitable for UI changes. Final option is display business rule plus client script. It's the best option, best technique from server driven to dynamic UI. Finally, as point of view architect level, we should always think like not developer. We should think always like architect level. So display business rule plus client script is the best option. Why is best? Because logic decided on server. From server, it passes safely via GSQ scratchpad to client script. So it will appear on the UA. It's a production favor. I mean enterprise friendly pattern and interview favorite also. That's why we are selecting display business rule with client script combination. So now we can make with the display business rule. Later, we can use the client script on the pharmacy app. So just open the business rule. We can navigate by sys underscore script dot list. New. Here name we can write as fever. Identify fever. Identify fever. Message. Fever alert message. Then table is here. We built it pharmacy application. Pharmacy app. While clicking on advanced, it will highlight the when to run options and advanced options. But as per our requirement, we are using now display business tool. Please find the one observation. If we type before after a single business tool, it will highlight the insert update delete query. Or we can display business tool, click on display business tool, it will highlight the disappears. Then order is previously we used 200, now we are using 300. It will prevent the collision from repeated occurrence or from other business tools. Then click on advanced, showing this. Here I'm using G_Screw Sketchpad option. Why G_Screw Sketchpad? Because G_Screw Sketchpad works only in display business tools. Purpose is it sends server-side data to client-side script. It's the important, very important task the G_Screw Sketchpad is. So here I'm using G_Screw Sketchpad. G_Scratchpad. Dot. So is favor. Is favor. If favor is there, is favor equal to current. Current means current table. It will apply the current table. Current dot. Then diagnosis now. We can add the backend value of diagnosis. Why we are recognizing here favor? So copy the backend value of field diagnosis. Then just safely copy here, paste here. Equal to fever. We are giving input to system. Please recognize this. Fever. That's it. Then end line with the semicolon. Then just submit. Format the code and submit. What we are doing here? Here we are applying two steps. First, display business tool. We already done now. Then client script. Second option is client script. Then we can go through the client script. How we can navigate this client script? Through system navigation or directly enter the client script. Client script. Under system definition, it is there. Client scripts. Click on new. Click on new. Click on new. So name is highlight the favor. Highlight favor message. Favor message. So it should be name should be relevant to the our requirement. Table is pharmacy app. It will apply on the pharmacy app table. Then UI type is for desktop, mobile, service portal, all options are there. We should select all because it will applicable for the both desktop option and mobile options. And type is here. Onload. While loading, it will work. That's why we are using onloading. While open the form. Form opening means it's loading, no? That's why onloading. Here. We are adding if condition. If G_Scratchpad. G_Scratchpad. SCRATCH Scratchpad. Scratchpad is fever. Is fever. then close, then open curly brackets, enter. Why we are adding here like this? Because G underscore scratchpad is favorites come from display business rule. We are already given the display business rule. G underscore scratchpad is favorites. Here from server to client, it's passing through G underscore scratchpad is favor option. Here well provides the repeating logic. Then we need information message. We need information message while favor selected. So that's why we are selecting G underscore form. G underscore form dot add info message. Add info message. Info message means it will add the information message. What information we need? We need to add here. Fever. Case detected. Detected. Immediate attention required. Immediate attention required. Required. That's it. Yeah. Then close the end of the line with the semicolon. Why you used it here? Because it wants doctor pharmacist as a message, information message. Just you can format the code and submit. Single line code. Then we can test now. So just to open the pharma app, and here patient name is Favor Babu. Favor Babu. Favor Chitti Babu. Chitti Babu. Patient age is 30. The temperature is 104. Now just I am saving. Yes, the message came. Fever case detected, immediate attention required. So how we can detect it? From display business to we carry the G underscore scratch pad. After diagnosis is favor option. Then it will apply on the client script. So it's showing the and display. Name itself is a display business tool. It will display messages on the form. Like this, we can do very easily. Thank you, guys. Wish you all the best.